there was so many other institutions who how mojuma omo ye no nka sesi boko a nka amanfo pese omo kokoya ade wo but enam so ma point no what do you do oko to say Dubai no na year at time even 10 p.m. you go and see a bank is still operating and you 10 oko bet ma ko bank and I do 11 ko bank because they are still working by high the nyabo 5 for pa because the bank
na sakabio
nte no say there's a way abane betimi aye na why expand it and I extend the time and no that would be a very great thing but the thing is say who say macro say abane so be spend 4 billion or
yeah 4 billion
still is dollars so nte no the thing is say e bia na no mo be hia o mo de be hihya ase no eno na yesika o be hia no menim say adwuma bia na abane ye wa ha no sika wo mu so obi ekwaje ne passport otuaka ana me wa
yeah
you know it means that say yes spend sika na yetimi de abie mu se be amanfo omoje omo passport anka before no ye pon 5 no e be call the following morning it means that and to the sika bebam nti if that is going to be the cost definitely no enya ka hunu e sika and so de mfaso be den e beba so ye wono bi wo ha anadwo wontimi nye Ghana hey I've been saying this all the time so omo ye construction kwan na omo ye na zenga bi nko omo ye one lane and no my second lane omo kan nyina de bom no my ye ombe ye adwuma from Monday all the way to Friday Saturday Sunday na kwan so adwo no omo nya adwuma dey make what I say construction no omo ye no a big disappointment and big inconvenience for the drivers on the road
na better make kan ho asem Wednesday no kwa
and the kwan na oye na nkasa no people are suffering so much on the road from Monday to Friday na kwan so busy no no mo so ye adwuma edu Saturday and Sunday ya omo nya adwuma nti obi bisa ho say dey nti ena nka mo be ye adwuma kwan nka time kwan so ye less busy no that's the best time nti construction for the kura ban no mo nye 24 hours and 10 from best 7 8 ni kwan so less busy no that's the time mo betim kwa ye adwuma ba obe kwan so no mo ye adwuma about 5 no mo pon nti anadwo akwan no so ye free anka mo betim ye mo construction no they don't work minim de ko de say omo kan say bia mo se mo pekwan yes e be ye kwan na mo so mo bebere edinti no ye kwan mo e be mo brass na kwan ye am say enye sa dia I don't get it
eti dada ye share the various thematic areas are binding the aba one or see grow 24. This focuses on transforming the agricultural sector through technology-driven, climate-smart practices that allow for round-the-clock production and value addition. It aims to ensure food security and reduce post-harvest losses.
So the better say, normal afumu die. Yentimi nye juma ohanajo.
Sure.
But mom ye greenhouse so no say normal no. They can still be working in the night. And most importantly no, as a manufacturing companies are or mobile manufacture normally if you have mobile no. They must say tomatoes na ye or ha. And ajuni na ye juma. It means no matter the raw material to do na ban you betimi manage.
Okay, so because of that and also so no one thematic area no make 24. Under this pillar the government would prioritize industrialization and manufacturing, promoting 24-hour operations in factories and processing zones to increase output, export and employment.
That is it. You know say nuabana be go say okoye nkura ase a eno mani nyina ase egu nwuram. Because number 1 na kwan nye the abana de we ba no e so focus na attention more on roots.
Oh roots.
Because you see as the tomatoes no ya tete na egu nwuram ba nche na ya tu na egu nwuram na say kai ntimi kofa ma raw material and feed machines now.
So Nana, that brings us to build 24. This involves boosting construction and infrastructure development.
Good.
With support for continuous building schedules on public and private projects and decent housing in the country.
That's a great thing. It is a buying up as a 24-hour economy now. One of the things in non-focus on construction is routes. Because routes need your care and a double because we be a Ghana hanka ye and Kasan Ekuya. Until Western new routes na okay raw materials in bit me about my factories will be an ometimate. I think the government have this in the policy, so it's a great idea.
Also, every night you would come on and catch and say Ghana acquire
79,000 kilometers. 78,000 something.
Okay.
By an run up 79,000 kilometers. Yeah. And only 16% per airtight.
Only 16% and airtight.
Yes. Yes, about 60-something-thousand kilometers in on tide road. All that walk with over matter care. Uko go type say how many kilometers in our Ghana higher tide. You say.
Charlie, and Ghana we still have a long way to go.
9,000 kilometers of road, you know. Ghana di Jnana no. Only 15 point something. Me I'm right now be 16% in na air tide.
Air tide.
Ya ka ni nyina ye munchimonka. Na mbombo de say aye na kra na say nya papa. Odi na mu ade do rough say. The man no better 24-hour economy na. On for roads in Kahu. Ehia pa because roads come one na be man no matimi akoyi because see. So obi kwa adwuma. Na so do adwuma ba be say 8. Kwan na enye na traffic intene so free be say 4 am. So fi kaso na e ba here. One so den time be late. Intene be traffic mu a be do adwuma already wa bere. Na wa be tena adwuma mu so no. Opon na okofi opon be say 5 a. Obedru fi traffic obedi mansa na wadu fi no. The next day no ontimi nye productive because wa bere. So the more now we are kwan no ebeboa ma 24-hour economy na timi aye adwuma pa aye. And I think say all of us ye private adwuma no. Ye be sha say ye be bi. Because ko dum so ya time na ye program no. Na ye block e na ye hwe 24 hours. Ebi no ba no pa o mutwa kopema nwum na be say 4 na ebi beto so ya ma de achi.
Oh dumasia
yes.
Whoa.
Ntini ye twa blocks say na wi e tumi 10,000 e dey ni tumi be 17,000 because ye wi ene anajo ka ho. Ntino omo ye block factory ni na say security wo krom na light wo krom fire. Why not obi abetra say obi timi ye bia na be boa ma economy na timi anyi. But there are few points are buying eso ye. Number 1, eso hu say kwan no ye na omo security mra krom because I say you know say bank bi empon tem na akromfo ko attack back wa omo mba so omo dey private ones so say they will feel said I don't want to do again. They will make sure that na no security wo krom na cameras abayi omo bo ba bia say be bi ni omo betimi a che nkrofo ntentem na intimi encourage nkrofo say oh adena na adwo dey bet oh wa we very safe. It say abanya djuma e bia nipa 100 na wo ho no omo ye djuma no pa 8 to 5. So oba be yekopima o channel pa wo betimi pa 50 aka ho ana mbwa ntini means say before no ka 100 but so the 50 na aka ho ntini pa do no so omo nya djuma nye no ombenya djuma ye
na so we in the crowd they are talking about 3 shift system. Yes, so for the first 8 hours, you know, then another 8 hours, then another 8 hours.
Wow, not quite 24
hours in a day.
Great. It means a Juma a funny per hundred is here. So we hear another 2 setter. Ebi unko here 100 because ebi e kwa na dwono entity we are but at least we hear another be about 80. I bet just 2 shifting about 40. I bet me it's good no. So at the end of the day no nipa do be nya adwuma ye.
But na ye ka akwan ho asemi. Menim say sa amasa mind to a friend is saying. It's akronel. Nsawom awurade. So when I say Nana Gafra.
Me ye adwuma ho. Enra madam for be free enra me adwuma enra madam for be free Cape Coast e ba me ho.
Yeah.
Obo se na me na mase akoba ka na so be na bako. O se na kwa be ni okasa ya na mse sa na tie na traffic bi a obetimi adimu no. Obetimi adimu tu enra me pon adwuma me ba no. Enna se me dan fa kwa na se me twan ama trotro no. Omo nim road omo nim ba yo obetimi maniva fa. Nti trotro ko be di me na me di na chi. E di na chi ya nti za ya ba bi kwa no ka bi so e ba. They say ye bofo mentamu ba bi. Ye di ho be 1 hour 30 minutes. Ana kwa nka ye no. Nka potos ba. Na nka ma fele mu kakra. We say the potos ye manhole. Ene di dem bebre. And then take a clear years ago the best 15-20 minutes with the best 2 hours. Obi onim no eye pokuase to nsawom kwan na eken. Eye too bad.
Eye too terrible.
Obi bia na ote nsawom. A no ade ne car ba adwuma no. Ye be wie kwan we yi otoka na twene.
Okay. Na asama na me ka kyerebo. Ye otoka na twene.
Obi bia obi bia ote nsawom a oba adwuma okurum da bia na kwan we so no. Ye be wie kwan yi o ka na kopaka foforo. Because terrible. Ebia menim payinfo omu supervisor omo ko hwe de ekoso ho no omu guso omu ye adwuma you can see them say the workers are there but bia omo pese car sefa no at least omo level kakra open enya zangatu o nti wo ye obi o use saloon na ko fa ha wo I'm telling you this, me kofa on say cars we need time we no wonam ta kwan so a enye the men me about we kind about me wakoma
bibi say wo ho a hard
that's na me be say na Monday no me adwuma Tuesday member no na STC di manim na wa lock it
oh
STC wa lock it and a kwan ketua bi na da ho the traffic no achia ko the best 1 mile away. They are saying now, I say, they are trying to walk on. So, what cameras or who was sent us over to me? No, for room. No, you can crack a cast hard to move fire SC. They are chilling amongst Obama, trailer, Nibi. No, and this is what. And amongst Obama or Chinese. Guess I'm going to be one at the chibin at Wakum. SCC, our quite usual. And amongst the more Chinese, I'm thinking, say, I'm paying for now. The road ministry, no. Maybe they are not paying attention. What they can do is say, at least Omonko Faso way. They in fact the Juma work is still going because who say Omo year Juma all the time.
But the progress
of
progress of work on that road they are
very slow. Omon try na omon level so kakra man for omon national mo honto omon kakra. Because too bad. Too bad on that road. You say me for every Tuesday be me come Monday, na ma Tuesday, na ma call Wednesday, na ma Thursday, 4 days I'm fast all.
Nanaka Frank.